Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew with you again, and I'm very excited because I've decided to do something very fun today. I think you're going to like it, so here's what I'm thinking, okay? So, you know how we've been doing, like, touch your head, slap your knees, put your arms up, so why not come up with some kind of fun routine, right, that you come up with? So I'm going to show you my routine, and then I want you to come up with one that you can show your teacher, your class, if you want, right? If that works, okay? So be creative, all right? You could do whatever. You could do spins, jumps, jumping jacks. You could touch different pull your ears. You could hop around the room, whatever you want to do. But each one, the first one you should do once. The second one should be twice. The third one should be 3 times. You get the idea here. The fourth one should be 4 times, and the fifth one should be 5 times. So for example, I'll give you an example, okay? I'm going to do 1 spin. I'm going to do 2 snaps, 3 jumping jacks, 4 chicken flaps. Ever seen a chicken flap? And 5, I don't know what they call these, cheek puffs, like this. You do that, it's kind of funny. Go put air in your cheeks. And then if you push it, it all comes out and it makes a funny sound, okay? All right, so you ready? Here we go. Mr. McAndrew making a fool of himself. Okay, here we go. So 1 spin. Hold on, let me move this up. Okay, and here's my routine. Ready? 1 spin. 2 snaps. 3 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3. 4 chicken flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 cheek puffs. All right, so you don't have to do what I did. In fact, don't do what I did. Do something different, right? Make up your own creative thing. Maybe you've got maybe you've got a basketball and you want to dribble it 5 times. I mean, I've got a basketball. I just didn't do that. So be creative. Hopefully your teachers can you'll have a chance to show them. Okay, have fun with it. And that's it for today. There is another video, so please watch that. You'll need your math packet. And yeah, all right, have fun with that. Maybe we'll do it again if you like it, okay? And all right, boys and girls, have fun. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.